National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, including Cross Ledge Light, East Point, Fortescue Beach, and Miah Maull Light, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:45 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Miah Maull Light, moving east at 35 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near 4 nautical miles south of Fortescue Beach by 4:55 p.m. over East Point by 5:05 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high winds, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.
The official National Weather Service.